Ababwatani bebengi ya Standard Chartered nigo baigoire omoroberio bw'echimbero chia marathon oyuo orachie gokoreka na chitariki 25 cy'omutenyo ikomi omwaka oyo asere nekerenga giokorikia abanto chiribu 30. Ukwana nabariki bamang'ana maya omoteneneri bw'obonchereria ase bengi Joyce Kibe nigaruro kuboria gochia saba Kenya kwerikia asobonge.
Today we are at Uhuru Gardens. I'm very excited because we are launching the 22nd edition of the Standard Chartered Nairobi Marathon. It's going to be held the last Sunday of October, that's 26th of October. We urge you all to please register for the marathon at www.nairobimarathon.com. Why am I asking you to do that? When you register, all the proceeds that we get from the registration goes towards Future Makers. Future Makers is a Standard Chartered program where we help the youth, women and persons with disabilities to learn and grow.
Gosoma enkwana yomoriki bwe wizara ya chigosori Elijah Mwangi nomokonyi bwo moderector ase wizare yo Caroline Kariuki nigo bakeire mbuya ebengi yo ase omoroberio yo muya ebwate.
The Ministry of Youth Affairs, Creative Economy and Sports is proud to stand alongside Standard Chartered Bank and all the organizing partners in advancing this vision through sports. Since its inception in 2003, this event not only nurtured elite athletic talents, but it has also opened its lanes to recreational runners, youth groups, persons with disability, and everyday Kenyans committed to wellness.
Omunyakerogo bw'echimbero ekyo David Mwindi wenekirie nigo barachie gokora chinkwana n'ababwatani ao kwenekia chimbero ekyo cheikeranire bunebwenerete.
Continuously evolve and learn from the experiences in the previous marathons and the feedback that we get from our various sponsors and participants. So a couple of things. We are still in discussions with Athletics Kenya around the start times because that also informs how the various races finish, whether it's a 42, the 21, the 10, and the interaction thereof. So we're looking at how to plan the start time better. We're also looking at the setup of the venue as well to ensure that we've got better open spaces, a clear finish for athletes, especially the 42 kilometers runners, the faster 21s, and even the faster 10,000 kilometers runners.
Koripoteria Ensoko TV korwa ase omochi o Nairobi, erietariane Linet Nyambane.